We're Jack and Sonia, and this is our salty boat cat, Fathom. After refitting our Passport 42 and sailing San Francisco Bay for 7 years, we finally untied the lines and sailed north to explore the majestic waters of the Pacific Northwest. Since then, we've sailed thousands of nautical miles in search of warmer waters down south. Thanks for subscribing and hopping aboard for the adventure of a lifetime.
Okay, so for you guys to know, we have to, tear this apart.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, and then this is going to be a good thing. It's gray, but it's gonna be messy.
It's gonna be.
Okay, but once that we have everything ready, we're gonna start to remove one here and one there. Okay, we're gonna fabricate it. Fabricate both of them and then install them, reconnect, okay, and then go forward with the other.
Okay, give us the update.
So we're down here at the boat and I hear grinding inside. So Sergio got a lot of the chain plates removed yesterday, but they're removing the last bits today and doing a good cleanup. Ooh, this is soft as hell. But it just goes up to here. You want to film this?
Yeah, I mean, it's just bare wood. It's not like soaked in epoxy or anything. Which I think a little coat of penetrating epoxy on all of them wouldn't be a bad idea.
But these look in good shape. I wonder what that one looked like because it had so much water.
Yeah. Well, and it's hard, like, stainless can look okay, but then when you look at it under a microscope or you dye test it, that one's fine.
So we just got down to the boat and everything's nice and cleaned up. It's like they were almost never here. We're gonna lengthen the chain plates, and this rib here is just chocks of wood, mainly for staving support. And I want the new chain plates to go down here. But in this cabinet, I think we just need to cut this guy out just a little bit to make that length. This port side knee is soft and goofy, so I have to find some hardwood.
I have stripes of antique wood.
Oh.
Let me tell you, it's this thick.
Yeah.
I took it from another boat a long time ago. I could hand it to you.
Yeah.
And then you could make them
wider and put the
Slide
angle
it.
on it.
Smush them together.
and that's thick.
Oh, that would be perfect. Because I was worried
just
about
scrap
that.
pieces.
Mhm.
Okay, no
Yeah,
tiene que
yeah.
ser nada grande.
Yeah. Okay, so I'll give it to you.
That's perfect.
And then because to get thick here.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's what I was worried about.
we're saying.
Like even like lumber, everything is concrete buildings. So this is the rub rail that's out there, and we can cut this bolt away so we don't
And
have
then
to remove
avoid.
drilling and all that kind of stuff. Yeah. So then this area right here is where the blue stripe is. So if we could put 2 bolts in there, then we don't need to do that one.
No, and then go
And
from
then
there
down
down.
below it.
And then we do, 1, 2,
And 3 holes.
3 holes there. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll bring it to you.
Okay, we have a pretty good update. The chain plates are removed except these lowers, but I just talked to Sergio and I went and released those lowers so we can just get everything fabricated and mocked up and ready. We'll install and seal up everything on the starboard side first, since that's the side that's on the dock, and then we will get the bow piece on, flip the boat around, and then work on this port side. So tomorrow he's going to come in and extend this area because the chain plate's going to come down a little bit more. The new chain plates, and remove this stud. The new chain plate's going to sit right in this little valley. So they're going to grind all this down, and we're not going to fill any of this back up because this is the hull, and it's just going to live right where it used to live. So we'll see when he fills all this stuff back up if I want to take this off and just fill this just for prettiness sake, you know. Now, the one problem part that I do have is this knee behind me is all rotten. So I've had some water leaking happen down that chain plate, and it kind of filled up where our water heater was, and I resealed those deck plates a couple times, but it turned out that it was, you know, leaking for quite a while because I have a rotten knee right here. Sergio said that he has some teak scraps laying around, so I'll be able to cut a couple triangles out, smush them together, and remake that knee. There's fiberglass surrounding it on the edges, so I'll be able to line it up nicely, but it's completely smushy. But that's the only one out of all of them that were compromised. So this knee is pretty rotten. Put my screwdriver right into it. Oh my gosh. Well, that was easy. That didn't take any work at all. Oh man. I'll show you. So we are going to end up grinding down these plinths and putting them down to the deck. There's just too many angles that this plate needs to go through, and this angle and onto the hull. And those plates that they're gonna now weld on were the ones that caused that knee to rot out. So I'd rather have that sealed up and bolted down.
Thanks for watching, stay salty, and welcome to our newest Patreon, Mark.